go directly and give you food more early. So I don't know if he had guests or not. If Johnny and waiting for guests, so maybe it will take a long time. Yeah, maybe if you can, maybe you can talk to me if he can solve the guest problem. Yeah, this is okay. This is only about guest problem. I don't know. His car enough or not? I don't know what he said. He said, my car no gas. We waiting and we waiting. We go somewhere and not drive the car. We waiting here for a long time. So we don't know what to do this. So that's why maybe you can call me if we have a gas enough. We go directly.